What is Medicaid eligibility? A step-by-step guide to applying. Are you or someone you know in need of healthcare coverage but unsure about Medicaid eligibility? Look no further. In this video, we will demystify Medicaid eligibility and provide you with a step-by-step guide to applying. Before we share this valuable information, please take a moment to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. First, let's understand what Medicaid is. Medicaid is a joint federal and state program that provides health coverage for low-income individuals and families. It helps cover medical costs such as doctor's visits, hospital stays, prescriptions, and more. To determine if you're eligible for Medicaid, there are a few criteria to consider. Generally, eligibility is based on income, household size, and specific circumstances like age, disability, and pregnancy. Each state may have different income limits, so it's crucial to check your state's guidelines. To apply for Medicaid, you have several options. One way is to apply online through your state's Medicaid website or through the federally facilitated Marketplace website. Another option is to apply in person at your local Medicaid or social services office. Additionally, you can apply by phone or mail by contacting your state's Medicaid agency. Non-financial eligibility. To be eligible for Medicaid, individuals must also meet certain non-financial eligibility criteria. Medicaid beneficiaries generally must be residents of the state in which they are receiving Medicaid. They must be either citizens of the United States or certain qualified non-citizens, such as lawful permanent residents. In addition, some eligibility groups are limited by age, or by pregnancy or parenting status. When applying, make sure to have the necessary documents ready. This could include proof of identity, income, residency, and citizenship or immigration status. It's important to fill out the application accurately and honestly to avoid any delays or complications. After submitting your application, you will receive a notice of eligibility determination. If approved, congratulations. You can start enjoying the benefits of Medicaid. If denied, don't worry, you have the right to appeal the decision and provide additional information if necessary. Interesting fact is that you can claim benefits in some state back 3 months from date of Medicaid approval. Remember, Medicaid eligibility can change based on your circumstances, so it's important to review your eligibility periodically or when major life events occur, such as changes in income, household size, or medical needs. In conclusion, applying for Medicaid may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By following these steps, you can navigate the process with ease. Remember to check your state's guidelines, gather the necessary documents, and apply through the available channels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. Go to MedicareSelfEnroll.com, enter your email address, then find the right Medicare plan in your area for you, and then you can self-enroll.